Hello, my name is Maddie, or Umbran Witch Cosplay on Instagram, and I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to tease, spike, and style a wig. The wig I'm using is an epic cosplay wig, but you can use almost any type of wig to do this, and also this tutorial can help you with just adding volume to bangs or spiking a wig. It's a pretty universal technique that everybody should know. As you see, I am taking section by section, very small sections, and backcombing them. When you want to backcomb, you are not going to give it a lot of slack, and the more you comb backwards, you're going to lose more and more hair, and that's good. After you're done doing that, you're going to spritz it with hairspray and then blow dry it, and you're going to repeat this wherever you need volume or to spike the wig. Right now, you're probably wondering, wow, this looks really ugly right now and ratty. It's not gonna stay like that. Every wig that I work on, it usually is pretty ugly. It gets worse before it gets better, if that's any way to describe it. After you're done teasing a wig, you're going to comb it out, and usually the wig defies gravity at this point, and that's what you see here in the video. And sometimes you have to repeat the teasing process until the whole wig is standing up. And like I said before, this tutorial is universal to an extent. Like if you want to you have like one spike on your wig, you're not going to do this all over the wig. You're going to do this on said area. Alright, so I have sectioned off the area that I now want to turn into a spike. You probably were thinking, oh, cool, the teasing process is over now. No, it's not. It's going to haunt you until the end of time. You cannot escape teasing. You cannot spike a wig without teasing it. So right now, I'm still like destroying the fibers so they can stand up on their own and it won't fall flat. And I need to make this very clear. When you're styling a wig, you need to spritz it with hairspray from like far away. Do not lay into it where it gets wet and soppy, and always blow dry it after you spray any amount of hairspray. As you can see, that's what I do every single time. It is a very tedious and repetitive process, but that's okay. And when you are doing a spike, you're going to have to comb it out and repeat these processes as you see. And sometimes you will have to cut off length to make it more weightless and to also form the spike better. I'm going to try and explain like little techniques that do help me along the way and will also make the wig look better. When you are styling a wig, you're going to use a lot of hairspray. When you're starting to spike the wig and actually try and shape it into how you want it to be very gentle with your hairspraying jobs, and sometimes hairspray bubbles and then when you blow dry it, it just looks really gross. Sometimes just gently take your finger and smooth it over and then blow dry it. Sometimes you don't have to do that. I do not, and I repeat, do not do that when you're in the first stage of teasing a wig. Don't do it. Just let the hairspray do its thing. You're gonna comb it out later. It doesn't matter. I mostly recommend smoothing it out when you're in the like final stages of like your spike and it's finally starting to come together. Another tip I must mention is you really do need to be patient when you're doing this. It's not going to be easy. You're not going to get it done in the first try. Always comb out and rearrange the hair so it looks smooth and not like crunchy or a hair looks out of place. Like as you can see, I'm constantly combing things over and just gently putting them where they look like they need to go. Just be patient with her. Here is another pro tip. When you're spiking a wig, even I tend to forget to do this, always look at it from different angles, because sometimes the spike can look gorgeous from the front but can look hideous from the back. So always be aware of that and do what you can to fix what you see. So we have moved on to the second spike, and this spike is no different from the first one. You're going to be doing the same exact techniques. Even though it's a different shape, you're still going to be doing the same things. You're going to be teasing it, combing it out, hairspraying, blow drying it, fixing the fibers. Sometimes certain spikes that are in like very extreme styles need more teasing and like heat, because you do need to like destroy the fiber essentially. That's what I consider it. If you've seen my Android 21 wig, the reason some hair defies gravity the way it does is because the hair is like burnt, and then it becomes very light and fluffy, and then you can spike it into however you want. And that's kind of what I'm doing here. This wig didn't take that much destroying, if I must say, but a lot of it is just combing out and smoothing over and hairspraying and blow drying. It's nothing special. And I'm gonna be real with you guys. I did not feel compelled to record the whole styling of this wig, just like the main spikes. So this is all the stuff I have. I hope it helped you with learning how to spike a wig. If not, sorry.